Right, okay, here we are on the RD again. First time out for a while. Let's line you up correctly first. Hold on, let's get you looking at the clocks or whatever you should be looking at. And I hope you can hear this little journey we're going on to New York in Lincolnshire. Just tilt you back a little bit, I think. All right. There you go, like that, I think. And off we go. You okay at that angle? You want to go up a bit more? There you go. I think that's alright. Yeah, there we go. Take you up a tad more, I think. There you go, try that. How's that? Right, off we go. First time out on the LC for a while. I'm hoping the broadband people don't turn up. Let the little girl warm up first. Feels good. She feels good. So nice to have the spring weather back again now. Some E5 in this, not putting that E10 crap in it. Hopefully there'll be a couple of RDs down there. This is Woodall Spile Village. Those of you who watch our Butler's Empire videos will know this area pretty well, and I hope that you can hear me alright as well. On the journey. It's not a very big bike meet, this one, but it's just a local one. There's so many to choose from in Lincolnshire. Watch out for these massive potholes that are on the roads nowadays. Lovely. I love the sound of a two-stroke. Nicely up the temperature in just about 3 miles. Yep, just clocking on 3 miles. these little 30-mile-an-hour villages. Yeah, it's only a short drive to New York from Woodall Spa. My nearest meet used to be Chelsea Bridge once a month when I used to live in Roehampton in London, and every Sunday down to Box Hill, which was a good few miles. A bit painful doing it on my fizzy when I had my fizzy, but when I got my bigger RDs, obviously it was a breeze. Of a two-stroke coming on song is brilliant. This being the 250LC as opposed to the 350LC, which I've had many of in the past. My first one was a brand new one back in 1981, 44 years ago. Hard to believe that 44 years later I'm riding on one again, albeit the 250, but in very similar to brand new condition. Still fun to ride in 2026. It's in fine tune, this one. There's no hesitation around the 5 to 6.5 grand, where you get a lot of people have carb problems around that rev range. This one's smooth as anything. Braking for in front. Where are we? Where are we pulling in here? Here we are. Right, let's have a look round. Oh, my trousers are going halfway up my legs. What have we got here? Old matchless. diversion. 400 Super Dream. Oh, there's another LC over there. I think I've met that bloke down here before. Yeah, I've seen that one down here before. In fact, I think I've chatted to the bloke. Little 350 LC. Got a kettle over there. 750 Suzuki. Lots of those on there. Dekovic. Very nice. Well, I can't see the other chaps on the LC, the competition winner. .400 Super Dream. Commuter specials back in the 80s. CX 550. People here seem distinctly older than me. Or do I just look young for my age? Sure. Oh well. That's it. Yeah, bit of a bad turnout. I say this road here is a long straight road, leading from, well, where I've just come from, obviously, straight away down there, right up to, well, basically Boston. And if this bike meet would have been here back in the 80s, they would have been hacking down there on the LCs and all that. Pulling wheel is just out the front here, but that sort of thing doesn't go on anymore. What's the old refreshments here? Yeah, in the other car park they normally have classic cars, but there's none there. Well, the refreshments are pretty good. Hot dogs £3, burgers £3, cake £1.50, tea and coffee £1. That's not too bad, is it?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. They all run over, yeah? The bike. There's a few there.
God help you with cleaning it, but it is lovely.
Get a couple of Polish birds around, then doing your bikinis.
That's what you can make that any better.
No, when I saw it, I've sort of been looking at the corner of my eye, as it were, you know, and when I saw it, I thought, whatever, no
Oh God, it's mucking about with you, isn't it?
Try again.
Oh well, he's on his phone now. I think he's phoning someone up maybe. Just give it a few revs, it might clear. It's quite old, is it? Or don't come out of a flat battery. There we go. What have we got here? I think he's given up on that. With Harley over the back there starting up. Sort of a rat rod sort of thing. Let's have a little look at that. Everyone's going home.
All that fucking thing in sport mode. They've cut all that off.
It's a thumper, isn't it? Oh well. 6 o'clock. Everyone's shooting off.